guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna go riding and kind of take you guys along the way. And I've got the tripod, so I'm gonna get some other clips with that. And so we'll just go ride and I'll see you guys there. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me. It's a little windy, but oh my gosh, I just hit a rock and about got caught. But anyway, hopefully you guys can hear me. And I forgot what I was gonna say now, but yeah, we're just gonna go ride and have a fun time. So I've got the tripod, so I'll set it up and get you guys some other clips. I just did the woods loop and now I'm super hot and tired, and this black gear probably doesn't do much good, but I think I'm gonna try to ride some moto now, so stay tuned for that. Pretty tired, and it's getting kind of late in the day, so I'm gonna head back to the house, but I'll talk to you guys there and finish the video up there, so I'll see you guys there. So I just got back in from riding and it was a super nice day to ride. A little hot, but got my motos in and got some good riding, and I think I got some good video for you guys, so that's always good. So this Wednesday coming up, I think it'll be like the 29th or something like that. This next Wednesday though, I think I'm going to be doing a live video. You guys can ask me questions in there, anything like that, and I'm going to be talking about my plans and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I think I'm going to do a live video on Wednesday. Stay tuned for that and be sure to watch that. And then also I'm gonna be doing my Tuesday and Friday uploads just like always. Tuesday is gonna be the first of the project bike series. That's gonna include tearing the bike down and showing you guys all the parts that I've got and everything that I've got for the bike and that's ready to go on it. So be sure to watch that. Watch the live video on Wednesday, and then probably gonna be a riding video on Friday, or another tech tip or tips of some sort, or how to maybe, if you guys want that. But that's kind of the next week, and that's all I have planned for this next week for filming and everything. Subscribe if you guys want to stay up to date to everything. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you guys for watching.